The convent of Santa Rosa de Lima is located in the historical center of the city of Puebla, in the corner that form the streets 14 West and 3 North. The history of the monastery has had many chapters. From 1671, it was a beginning of women of the confraternity of Santa Inés de Monte Policiano. The Dominican father, Fray Bernardo de Andía, gives them a house for this secular sorcery known as tertiary sisters, since there was already a convent in Puebla dedicated to Santa Agnes, chains dedicated to Santa Rosa de Lima, in order to spread devotion to the Peruvian, who would be the first Nereve saint. One of the characters involved in the creation of the convent and not had the opportunity to see incompleted was the Bishop of Puebla, Manuel Fernández de la Cruz, who donated money for its construction. The convent was built in 1698, but the temple didn't, and it is believed that the architect Nicolas Castañeda laid the foundation stone in 1690. The 12th of July of 1740 was finished the convent as a whole, melts in and dedicated his church.
What was in Italy the Beaterio of Santa Rosa 1698 was transformed into a convent of the nuns of Santa Rosa 1745. Eventually the religious initiative lost its priority and the place was transformed in psychiatric hospital and tenement house. After a refurbishment, the Ceramics Museum, occupied in size September 20, 1926, changing its name after Poblano. Its popular art museum heritage that can be admired in its old stands the ancient kitchen of the monastery, whose ornament is one of the most admired examples of Talavera ceramics. According to local traditions, the rosary for Mole Poblano. Its large decor is because Theodore Martín de Vallarta, who served as secretary of the prelate Peter Nogales Dávila, as bishop of the city.
Some Mexican historians believe the inventors of the dish were the monjas clarisas. Others think the first the Madres Contemplativas Agustinas of the Convento of Santa Mónica, Puebla. The pita dish usually contains panoche, apple, sweet milk beer, and criollo peach. The cream usually adds milk, double cream, fresh cheese, and raised nuts. The traditional season for meat and eating this dish August 4 and 5th of September. When programmed appear in the market of Central Mexico of the National Independencia Festival begin in the summer area the dish and creating the painting of the promenade at the rate usually between early October and January.
Chile en nogada. Chile's en nogada is a dish from Mexican cuisine. The name comes from the Spanish word for the walnut. The nogal is cousin of Poblan. Chile filled with picadillo, topped with a walnut-based cream sauce, cayenne nogada, and pomegranate seed, giving it the three colors of the Mexican flag: green for the chili, white for the nut side, and red for the pomegranate. The wall used to prepare nogada is a very called nogala de Castilla or Castilian. The traditional Chile en nogada is from Puebla. It is tied to the independence of this country since it is the were prepared for the free state to entertain the emperor. Agustin de Iturbide when he come the city after his name has Agustin. This is secure of praise for the innovation of the set of Puebla.
Arriving at the former convent, the coast were not allowed to record or take pictures, since we had to obtain a permit. Then, talking to one of the policemen, he said it would be great to record at night because of the turn is 24 hours to monitor the former convent. And when he goes to the kitchen to check if everything is fine, it comes to a peculiar model poblano. They did before the nuns in that kitchen smell. He also says that when he goes to the quarter closet, wooden doors and not even to explain, they are heavy doors, could not close the wine. Far from staying locked because the doors don't have locks. We also say that hear voices and whispers everywhere, but not afraid. Science it says that it is more likely that they are the spirits of the nuns who were there.